The nuance of everybody is you pushed out. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I really want to shine some light on why everybody is you pushed out is not always so literal, and why you are not the cause of every reflection that you are getting in your 3D reality. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, you can get access to any of my offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Why everybody is you pushed out is not always so literal. Now, the reason why I made this video is because of twofolds. Number one, I was reading a comment from one of you guys where you were expressing that your specific person is an alcoholic and that you feel guilty about this because of everybody is you pushed out. You feel that you caused your specific person to be an alcoholic. The second fold to this is that sometimes people will say to me, well, Priya, my aunt has cancer, so does this mean that I manifested my aunt having cancer because of everybody's you pushed out? Now, I really wanted to shine some light on these questions. No, you did not cause your specific person to be an alcoholic, and no, you did not cause your aunt to have cancer. Let me explain. Most people understand that everybody is you pushed out means that reality is always reflecting back to you the specific stories that you have about people. So let's take an example. Let's say that you have a story that says, or an assumption that says, my specific person doesn't love me. My specific person who is always prioritizing their work over me. Now, if this is your assumption, reality must prove you right. That is the way that the law works. However, this is not the full picture. Everybody is you pushed out actually means that reality is always reflecting back to you your state of being. But your state of being comprises of several things. Your state of being comprises of specific stories that you have about people, places, and events, your self-concept, collective agreements, collective beliefs, and things that you have been aware of in your consciousness. So when it comes to this viewer who thinks it's their fault that their specific person is an alcoholic because of everybody is you pushed out, this is absolutely not true. You did not cause your specific person to be an alcoholic. You matched up with a version of them that is an alcoholic, but you didn't cause it. One of the reasons why you may be matched up with that is because of your self-concept. Perhaps you're somebody that has an unfavorable self-concept. Your self-concept is how you see yourself in general, regardless of your specific person. Perhaps you're somebody that has stories that say, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, something's wrong with me, I need fixing. So you are somebody who operates from an unfavorable self-concept. Now, reality must prove this to you. And there are infinite ways in which it can prove this to you through your specific person. One way is perhaps it matches you up with a version of your specific person that is an alcoholic. Your specific person priority is alcohol over you. Hence, you don't feel lovable, good enough, and worthy. Or it could be that reality mirrors this back to you in a different way. Maybe your specific person is not an alcoholic. Maybe instead you manifest a version of them that always prioritizes their friends over you. Again, triggering within you, I don't feel lovable, I don't feel good enough, something is wrong with me. So your self-concept must be proven to you in your 3D reality, but your I am, your subconscious mind can prove this to you in infinite ways. In other words, the expression doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that your self-concept will be proven to you in your 3D reality through your specific person. And one way in which this could be proven to you is that you are now matched up with a version of your specific person that is an alcoholic that prioritizes alcohol over you. Now, another reason why you may have been matched up with your specific person being an alcoholic is because of collective agreements and collective beliefs. So collective agreements are things like the sun rises every day, the sun sets every day. There are sick people in the world. People have addiction issues. These are collective beliefs. Now, you identifying with any of those collective beliefs, and it could be as simple as people have addiction patterns, could be why you're matched up with a version of your specific person that is an alcoholic. Another reason could be that it's something that was in your awareness. Perhaps you watched a Netflix documentary a month ago where it was talking about how 50% of men in corporate end up having addiction issues, and it was something that you resonated with, And now you're matched up with a version of your specific person that is an alcoholic. So my message is, we don't know why you've been matched up with a version of your specific person that is an alcoholic. There are many reasons why this could be in your reality. You did not cause it. You've just been matched up with a version of them that is an alcoholic. The good news is you can absolutely shift this. If you desire a version of them that is sober, that is addiction free, you can absolutely select that version of them and call it into your 3D reality. Now I want to move on to things such as if you're experiencing starving people in the world, or perhaps you have an aunt who has cancer or a friend who has autism. Some people think that they are the cause of this. This is absolutely not true. The only reason why you're experiencing somebody in your reality who has cancer or has autism is because that is part of the collective agreement that there are people that get sick. There are people that have cancer. Autism exists. Hence, you are seeing it in your 3D reality, not because you caused it, but because it is part of the collective agreement that these things exist. So I hope this video has helped shine some light on why everybody is you pushed out is not always so literal. Everybody is you pushed out simply means that reality is always reflecting back to your state of being. And your state of being comprises of specific assumptions and stories that you hold about people, your self-concept, collective agreements that you resonate with or buy into, and collective agreements. So you did not cause starving people in the world or people to have cancer. This is just something that is in your reality because it's part of the collective agreement or part of the collective belief that these things exist. And as for the subscriber that shared that her specific person is an alcoholic, if you desire to manifest a different version of your specific person that is teetotal and that does not have addiction patterns, you can absolutely do this by first focusing on your self-concept, making sure that you are somebody who sees yourself as lovable, good enough, and worthy no matter what. And then from there, from where you're feeling fulfilled from within, you can then give your focus to your specific person and begin to select a different version of them, begin to identify with the new story that says, me and my specific person are in a happy, loving relationship. They are alcohol free. They are a healthy person. They are emotionally intelligent. I am the love of their life. And once you make that the dominant story within you, your subconscious mind must prove this to you in your 3D reality. So I hope this video has helped shine some light on the bigger picture to everybody is you pushed out and what it really means. And also remember that if you desire to see a different reflection of something in your 3D reality, you absolutely have the power within you to shift it. So if there's somebody in your reality who shows up as unwell, and maybe it's there in your reality simply because of collective agreements, but you wish to see that person whole, you wish to see them well, you can absolutely focus on that version of them and see that come to fruition in your 3D reality. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.